Winethic, the groundbreaking wine community, born in order to objectively review wines from all around the world. Winethic offers several advantages to companies, oenologists and wine lovers because it is based on an impartial and ethical grading system which reflects the real qualitative value of each wine, whatever the prestige of the producing company is. Wineries join Winethic online and become included in the list of companies available for immediate consultation by users. Wineries can purchase and ask for one or more tastings in the most suitable time of year, depending on the evolution of its own wine. Wineries fill in the online data sheet with the characteristics of the wine and sends to Winethic a total of 12 bottles of that particular wine. One of these with a sticky label and capsule, whereas the remaining 11 have to be anonymous, which means free from label, capsule and any other distinguishing signs, both on the cork and on the surface of the bottles. Winethic stores the labelled bottle and 3 anonymous ones as a guarantee of the scent sample, whereas the 8 remaining bottles are labelled by Winethic with an alphanumeric code generated by the electronic system. The electronic system randomly generates a tasting commission made of 8 oenologists, all members of the Association of Oenologists and winemaking experts, and all included in the databank of Winethic. Each oenologist receives an anonymous bottle from Winethic, and he or she never comes to know neither the name of the producing company nor who other members of the commission are. The alphanumeric code allows oenologists to access the tasting sheet of the wine, which shows them essential data only. Then oenologists taste the wine they have received and fill in the online evaluation form. If the average of scores of the wine is equal or greater than 80 points, the result is automatically published in the wine section of the website. When the wine description is published, Winethic promotes it through its website and social networks and makes it available to the worldwide community of wine lovers, who can examine both the description of the wine and the profile of the producing winery. With Winethic, large and small winemakers, oenologists and wine lovers can rely on a transparent and impartial grading method, an easy and universal ethical choice. Winethic, the ethical wine choice.